We will continue with Pablo Moncada.
Hi, my name is Pablo Moncada and I work as a software engineer at MasMovil, and I'm going to share with you how we are scaling a multi-tenant Kubernetes cluster. MasMovil is the fourth telecom provider in Spain and provides voice and broadband services to more than 12 million customers. There are 7 different brands in the group and more than 800 in total. This can translate into high complexity level of underlying systems. We are around 150 software engineers. This is what we are building. This is what we call MasStack, which is a set of highly decoupled subsystems, each of them with different business logic. This stack works on top of the telecom network elements, and all business logic is implemented here. For example, the billing system must be able to process real-time charging with millisecond accuracy, and the authentication system must provide fast and reliable mechanisms for both customers and systems. We heavily rely on infrastructure to orchestrate all our systems. Such a complex system must be easy to operate. With Kubernetes, we can reduce operational complexity. We are able to deploy new systems and versions several times a day. We ensure availability of our services and scalability of our applications in a cost-effective way. With Istio, we can observe everything is happening in the mesh, implement end-user authentication, mutual TLS for in-cluster application, and improve the reliability of applications by automatically retrying failure requests or implementing canary deployments. Kafka is the spine of our communication stack between services and also feeds the data warehouse for analytics. Implementing our stack in a single Kubernetes cluster reduces operational complexity. Infrastructure is managed by a small team of 3 engineers. It helps us to reduce cost as we are able to efficiently allocate resources and share control and monitoring planes. A multi-tenant cluster introduces new security challenges where no application can be trusted, and we need mechanisms to enforce security measures. As you can see, our cluster is not very big, but also it is not small, although there has been an exponential growth and we need to pay attention on future scalability issues. This is how Cilium can help us resolving our security and scalability challenges. It can act as a kube proxy replacement. With more than 2,000 services, we can start watching performance issues with kube proxy. Network policies allow us to restrict connectivity inside and outside a cluster. For debugging and compliance terms, logging is a feature we must have. Also, Cilium is the only CNI that introduces DNS-aware network policies, and we can create policies based on a full qualified domain name rather than IP addresses. Multi-region availability can be achieved by using Cilium's multi-cluster feature, where we can maintain our multi-tenant topology and act as a single cluster. When talking about Istio, Cilium can provide increased security by protecting compromised sidecars, as they are not subject to Istio's security rules, or by enforcing application traffic to go through the sidecar proxy. Observability is one of the main reasons why we are using Istio, but for external services using TLS, we are completely blind. Cilium can provide us visibility and allow us inspecting HTTP headers, and we will know how third-party services are behaving. Managing Kafka ACLs is hard when there are hundreds of them. With Cilium, it's possible to configure policies the Kubernetes way, using labels that apply to several workloads at the same time. As you can see, Cilium, based on eBPF technology, absolutely help us on the journey to the cloud native. Thanks for watching.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Pablo. Awesome to see that Cilium is widely used, not just in the financial sector, but telcos as well. And again, another example of a kube-proxy replacement. There's definitely a theme that we may have done something right by replacing IP tables.